Just glazing beautiful bowls and mugs is not the full picture. Pottery is a craft that has been carried on for hundreds of thousands of years. If you are thinking of sending your children to pottery summer camps for kids, or if this interesting hobby somehow caught your curiosity, then buckle up, for here are some mind-boggling facts for you. So let's grab a cup of coffee in the most amazing mug and plunge into the realm of ceramics. This is Fun Facts About Pottery. Clay can be recycled indefinitely. Clay is a naturally occurring substance and it makes it safe for use in the environment. You can reuse it as much as you want, only if you do not throw it away, of course. The advantage of such a material is that when you are done with a project, just gather the extra clay, mix it in some water, and it is ready for the next use. On the contrary, the recycled clay tends to get better with time. They also become easily manipulable, which in our opinion is amazing when it comes to working with them. Once clay is fired in a kiln, it undergoes a chemical transformation where the particles fuse into a permanent solid form known as ceramic. At this point, the clay cannot be recycled back into its original pliable state. However, fired ceramic pieces can still be crushed and reused as grog to strengthen new clay bodies. The ability to recycle clay indefinitely reduces waste in pottery studios and minimizes the need for new raw material. The oldest pottery was discovered in China. The oldest pottery in the world, discovered in China, dates back to approximately 20,000 years ago and represents a groundbreaking moment in human history. This remarkable find sheds light on the early development of human civilization and the ingenuity of ancient communities. The pottery was discovered in the Shenrendang Cave, located in Jiangxi Province, southeastern China. Radiocarbon dating techniques have placed the pottery at around 20,000 years old, making it the oldest known example of ceramic technology. This period corresponds to the last glacial maximum, a time when much of the Earth was experiencing colder and harsher climates. The pottery fragments are crude and not uniform in shape, suggesting they were made by hand without the aid of a potter's wheel. They exhibit evidence of fire hardening, which is a process where clay is baked at high temperatures to make it durable. It is not pottery until it is fired. The statement "it is not pottery until it is fired" refers to a fundamental principle in the creation of pottery and ceramics, emphasizing the importance of firing in the process of transforming raw clay into a finished, durable object. Pottery begins as soft, malleable clay that can be shaped into various forms by hand building, throwing on a potter's wheel or molding. While shaping, the material is still fragile and can easily be deformed or dissolved in water. During firing, the clay undergoes chemical and physical changes. The water content is driven out, and the clay particles fuse together in a process called vitrification, making the material solid and non-porous. Without firing, the clay remains a fragile, unfixed form known as greenware, which cannot fulfill its intended purpose as functional or decorative pottery. Glazing makes pottery pop. Glazing makes pottery pop is a phrase often used to describe how glazing enhances the visual appeal and functional qualities of pottery. Glazing is the process of applying a liquid coating, usually made of minerals and other materials, to the surface of a ceramic piece before it undergoes its final firing in a kiln. Once fired, the glaze transforms into a smooth, often glossy or textured layer that can serve aesthetic and functional purposes. Glazing adds vibrant colors and finishes to pottery, from glossy and matte to satin and textured effects. Certain glazes, such as transparent or layered ones, create depth, making designs and patterns more dynamic. A glaze creates a protective barrier on the pottery, making it resistant to scratches, stains, and wear over time. Unglazed pottery can be porous, allowing liquids to seep through. Traditional Japanese pottery requires a week to fire. Traditional Japanese pottery, known for its meticulous craftsmanship and distinctive aesthetics, often requires an extensive firing process that can last up to a week. This method, deeply rooted in centuries of tradition, involves unique techniques and materials, making it both a technical and artistic endeavor. Traditional Japanese kilns, such as the Anagama and Noborigama kilns, are wood-fired and require sustained attention to maintain specific temperatures. Japanese pottery is popular for its distinctive outcomes. To your surprise, it is not easy to achieve. Traditional Japanese artisans utilize unique wood-fired kilns. They are known as anagama or noborigama. Besides, the process of firing can last up to a week. They keep the kiln running all day and night before allowing it to cool gradually. It's a time-consuming process, but the outcomes are breathtaking.